Yo, trade recap for September 9th. So this was the trade I took this morning on ES. As you can see, pretty quick trade, in and out. Got my piece of the pie and walked away. So initially going into the morning, right, I was bullish. I'm not gonna lie, I was bullish. We were respecting this hourly BISI. So we were respecting this hourly BISI, right? And so once I saw that we were respecting this hourly BISI, I dropped down to look for a long setup, right? But this 15-minute down close candle, and we had this 15-minute SIBI. So I was anticipating that we, inverse the SIBI and then form the CISD, right? So this would have been my entry. The CISD would have been confirmed if we closed above, and the inverse would have been confirmed. So I was waiting for this to close above, but I noticed that at the 9:30 open, we formed this SMT at the highs, and we continued to respect this 15-minute SIBI. So I sat and watched, and then 10 o'clock was about to drop, and so I was anticipating we come back to this order block, and right when we came back to this order block, that's when I set my limit order to go and target, this low-hanging fruit right here, just, quick in and out trade. And that's exactly what happened. 10 o'clock opened, we came up to this order block, and then went straight back down, hitting my target. It came pretty close to my stop loss, but I was pretty confident in the trade, and I let it ride out, and it played out in my favor, as you can see, literally in and out in like 2 seconds. But yeah, that was pretty much the trade for today. It was pretty quick, straightforward. Today was a little choppy. The longs weren't there when I wanted them, so I saw what the market was giving me, and I took it. I got my piece of the pie, walked away. And as you can see, took profits, and then price just reversed, and then that's when we went long to take out these highs. But yeah, that was the recap for today. Pretty straightforward, in and out. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments.